If you're feeling ashamed after breaking a promise to yourself, you said you would do something and you did not do it, then we are going to show you a skill, a behavior change skill, which will not only help you with the pain of the shame, but also help you fulfill the promise to yourself. We are going to talk about the situation as if it was the Teddy who broke the promise. It was the Teddy who did what I did. It was not Natasha. It was the Teddy who did it. Now you're going to describe what did Teddy do. Now look at her cute face. You are not going to say bad things about Teddy like, Teddy was so bad, Teddy was so shameful, Teddy did a bad thing. No, you are going to say the facts, neutral facts and feelings. Teddy was at home on this date and day, and she had, in the afternoon for 2 hours, she had planned to work on a project which is to be completed next month. And instead of working on the project, she was scrolling for 2 hours. These are the facts of the situation. Now we look at the feelings. She was feeling uncomfortable, overwhelmed. She did not open the laptop because she felt like an imposter. She felt a fear of what if I can't do this? What if I am bad at this? What if I don't complete it on time? All these thoughts came to her brain and she got overwhelmed and she was in pain, she was suffering. And the painkiller that she found near her was her phone. And she was like, oh, relief, I'm going to scroll and I'm going to find relief here. So she picked up the phone and she started scrolling for 2 hours and she found the relief. But after scrolling, when she realized what she had done, she felt guilty, she felt ashamed, she felt bad, she felt heartbroken for disappointing her future self, felt more pressure on herself for the next day, for the next week, because she lost one day. After hearing all the facts and feelings of the situation, what do you feel towards Teddy? What would you say to her? So first you offer Teddy some tender compassion with some hugs and with soothing touch and with some kind words. I know what happened and I see how sad you are and it sucks and you must be feeling so bad, and how human of you to reach out for your phone and for the pain that you are feeling. You know, anybody would do that. There are so many people who scroll whenever they want to escape a feeling of pain. When I see why you did what you did, and I also see the heartbreak that you feel for your future self and not doing the thing that you promised yourself you would do. Now that we know the reason for why you did not do it, we can curiously figure out how to move forward. You don't treat yourself like this. You shame yourself. You hurt yourself more after you are already suffering from what you just did. Breaking a promise that you made to yourself already made you suffer. And what do we do when we suffer? When we are in pain, we go for the painkiller. You'll again start scrolling or eating or numbing yourself in some way because you cannot tolerate that pain. You want to give yourself compassion. Now I am going to add support and skills for her, because change is equal to support plus skills. Okay, I'm with you, Teddy, and we want to keep the promise to yourself. So how are we going to do that? What support do you need? Last time you were alone. That is why when you felt the pain, you felt the discomfort of doing that task, you went to the comfort that you found, your phone. So right now I'm with you. I'm hugging you. You have my touch. You have my presence. You have my voice with you. So I'm going to support you. You're not going to do this alone. So now next, what do we want to do? To feel safe, I'm going to support you in looking at the laptop, because that's where the work is. So we're going to look at the laptop. We're going to stare at it. Is it safe? Yeah, it's safe. It's safe. Okay. So now we're going to touch it. We touched the laptop. We did it. Yay. Now we are going to open it. Oh, nothing happened. We are safe. We are alive. We are good. You keep going step by step after this, because you are perfectly capable of solving this problem. It's not discipline, consistency. It's support and skills.